Now in this topic, I am discussed about flash type ADC. What is the ADC? Analog to digital converter. Analog to digital converter. Now in this diagram, there are 7 comparators 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there are 8 resistors across it. Here Vi is the input voltage and Vr is the reference voltage. And at the output side we get the output bit stream. अब हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर हमारा क्या है, दिस इज ए वोल्टेज डिवाइडर नेटवर्क. दिस क्रिएट्स ए voltage divider network and there are seven comparators and one priority encoder. अब सेकंड पॉइंट हमारा क्या है, the voltage divider network contains 8 equal resistors with the value of VR by 8. How we can calculate the VR by 8? Now here we look at here. VR is the reference voltage and all resistors are in series connection. All resistors are in series connection. Now it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8. Likewise, like we calculate I is equal to V by R. Similarly, we calculate the VR by 8R. Now we can discuss third point. External input Vi is applied to the non-inverting terminal. Vi is applied to the non-inverting terminal. Here Vi is applied to the non-inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal means positive terminal and VR is applied across the negative terminal. Now here in fourth point, here how comparators compare non-inverting and inverting terminals. Voltage drop across it. Now here how we can calculate the value of Vi and Vr. Here Vr is the reference voltage that creates a drop across resistor R. Now it creates a current or voltage drop across inverting terminal. Now we can compare both inputs Vi and Vr. If Vi is greater than Vr, the comparator output would be 1. But 1 is not here. The comparator creates an output in analog form like 2 volt and 3 volt. All the similar comparator do the same work. Creates a voltage drop 3 volt, 4 volt, likewise create the output at analog form. Now this analog input gives to the priority encoder. Now what priority encoder do? Encoder converts analog signal to digital signal. Analog signal to digital signal. Now binary encoder converts analog to digital signals. Now and decide the priority of the bits. Now after converting analog to digital stream, here priority encoder decide the priority of the comparator. If the first comparator creates a output, it comes to the first line. Now second comparator creates a output, it comes to the second position. Now third creates a output, it's come to the third position. Likewise, now at this manner, now it's created bit of a stream. Likewise, it creates a output bit stream in digital form. Now this is the working of the flash type ADC. Now here I am discussing the third point of ADC, third types of ADC, like reduced slope ADC. Now in this type of ADC there are 5 blocks. First one is integrator, second one is comparator, control logic circuit, clock signal generator and counters. Now here the second point is there are also 2 inputs. Vi is the input voltage and Vr is the reference voltage, and one switch is there. Now the first operation is started from the control logic circuit. The control logic circuit resets the counter. Control logic circuit first resets the counter and clock signal generator generates the clock pulses. Now it's reset the clock counters and previous values are going to be reset and clock signal generator start creating clock pulses. Now third point is there is now integrator connects to the computer. If clock signal generator start creating the clock pulses, now here start signal is enabled and switch is connected to the VI voltage. Now here integrated connected to the comparator. The comparator compares the now here we are comparing two values, input values, VI and VR. What will we compare? VI and VR. If VI is greater than VR, goes to the next block, that is comparator, and now here that creates one logic, one input that comes to the comparator input, and second logic is at 0. Now compare both and start the control logic. Now control logic store all bits that is come from the comparators 1 0 1 0 likewise, or now goes to the counter and counter start counting the output of the control logic. Now fifth point is there. Now here overflow occurs. Now if there are many bits are come to the logic control logic registers, now there are one condition occurs, that is called overflow. In these conditions, now control logic again resets the counter, and here switch is now start signal is going to be disabled and switch is switched from the VI to VR. Here VI is less than VR, creates a 0 value, that comes to the counter. Now 0 is compared with 0. The control logic also disable the counter and output is going to be counted as a 0 value. Now here likewise the data stream in digital format are generated. Like 1 0 1 0 1 0. The cycle is now repeated. Now this cycle is repeated again and again. Like now start is again enable, switch is come back to the VI. VI is greater than VR. VR creates a 1 input. Now 1 is compared with 0 input to the comparator logic control unit. Save all the values and counter counts all the values. Now if start is disabled, switch to the VR input and indicator is VI is less than VR, creates a 0 value, that is compared with comparator and goes to the control unit, and counter is again counting the value. In this format the data is continuously generated in digital form.